Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a logo using Canva and Adobe Firefly. So first we have to open the Canva and open the text. So choose here the text whichever you want to create your own logo. So I'm choosing this logo sorry, the text, and after choosing it, so I want only the join. So you have to write the name of your logo, so like yeah, after writing it, download this as a png file on your desktop. After downloading it, you have to go to Adobe Firefly. Yes, the Adobe Firefly. And make sure whatever you want to write over here regarding your logo features, like my channel of a YouTube is about all art stuffs and painting, so I want a logo which is like some paints in it, so I'm writing like so here are some of those examples. How do you want to create your logo? This are some of AI generated images, so you have to make some changes in it. So like aspect ratio must be I'm using it landscape, yeah. Then content type is photo. Then I will use this thing, like this is more rich in colors, so I'm using this as my reference. Okay, style, use it as reference style, and then I will upload here as a reference. Yeah, upload. So after uploading this, you have to make sure the strength of this image is 100%, and then the visual intensity is less, and even the strength, and then effect is hyper realistic. So after choosing those all options, you have to click on generate image. So then Adobe Firefly will give you the AI generated logo, which you can use as a logo in your brand or in your videos or thumbnails or in any cases. So this is the logo which is Adobe Firefly generate. This is the D arts. Okay, so this is how you should make your brand or any type of logo using Adobe Firefly. Yeah, so follow me for more update, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more such content, to learn Adobe Firefly and some creative content on my channel. Thank you for watching the video.